create a new window. Okay, if you want to create a new window, suppose this just like I have shown, you are working on this page, and but you want to switch, you want to open a new window, so you can create this new window also with the help of a Selenium script, and you can perform some you can open some URL here, and you can perform some operations there, and again you can come back on the parent window. So how you can do, just let me create a new file, create new window. Create new window example. We will add this method. Okay, and let me use this line of code. This is done. Suppose I have opened this WebDriver university.com, but now I want to open another tab or another window. So how you can do, driver dot manage dot window dot new window. Now let me check the syntax. Switch to, sorry, it is switch to, driver dot switch to, driver dot switch to dot new window. So you can create a new window also in that, and in that you will take a window type dot window type. Either you want to open a tab like I have shown you, or you want to open another window. Okay, so how, what you want, suppose I want a window type, it will open a new window for me, and in this new window I want to open another URL, driver dot get, and I want to open a google.com, suppose in this web, in this window. So let me get a exact URL for google.com. Okay, copy this, paste it here, right? And other operations you already know how to come back and close that window, right? But this is just I want to show you, you can also create a new window also, or new tab also, with the help of a Selenium itself.
Yeah, here Rahul, without line number 19, can't we open new window, like new URL in a new window?
And just a minute, I will check. First, let's see. It has opened a google.com, and this google.com it has opened in the another window, and this is in the another window. Yeah, which one? Line number 19. Yeah, no, you have to first how you will get the new window. This is the
Yeah.
line to get a new window.
Okay, if you want like starting first two lining, we have to reuse, right? If you want, if I want to launch a new page, new window, if I did not use line number 19.
See, if you will not use line number 19, what it will do, it will open this google.com website in the same window. So,
Okay.
so what it will do, first it will open WebDriver university.com. It will maximize the browser, and then it will open the google.com website in the same browser, in the same browser window. It has opened WebDriver University. Now it is opening the google.com in the same browser window. Or do you have any other question?
No, no, no. Got it. I just wanted to know, like, directly can't, like, can we launch a new window with a new URL by
Uh,
removing the line number 19? Got it. It
direct
overrides the existing one.
no, directly, I mean, you can launch it with the help of a web driver, but we have already launched a window with the help of a driver, right?
Yes.
So, but if you want more than one, so in that case you can use just driver dot switch to dot window. We can type here driver switch type dot tab also. So in that case it will open in the same browser multiple tabs. Now it will open a new tab in the same, and it will open the google.com in that. And the same windows multiple window handling concept will be there for you. You will do some operations here, you will close it, you will again switch back, and you will do some operations on the main window. So this is another feature. If you want to open a new window or a tab in your application, so you can also do the same thing. And if you want to close a window tab, you have to use driver.close, not the driver.quit. And if you want to come back on the main window, you have to again switch back on the original window for that same. Right? Any doubt in this creating new windows or a tab?
No, Rahul.
Because if till now we have covered almost all the possible web elements and all the possible actions on the web browser that you have to perform. We have covered click, form field, input field, clear, keyboard operation, mouse operation, frame handling, windows handling, and actions class, scroll up, scroll down, javascript executor, alert handling, drop down handling, radio button handling, checkbox handling. So almost every kind of a operations that are feasible and possible on our website or web page, almost we have seen all of that, right? And I don't see think anyone will face any other actions in your applications while automating the task. Mostly will be the same, only the approaching way or handling the way will be different, but you have to use the same things and same line of a codes in that.